Well, hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Batty rider drink. It had turn up the pace, you know guys. So guess what? I'm going to show you what the ingredients we're going to need to make this Batty rider, yeah. So if you want to learn how to make this Batty rider, yeah, come on and ride my wagon. So, okay guys, let's talk about the ingredients, alright? The first thing I'm going to show you is your pineapple. You're going to need a pineapple. If you don't have the fresh pineapple, go ahead and buy the pineapple in the can. You're going to need some syrup, some corn syrup. But do not buy no red syrup or no purple syrup or no orange syrup and all them things because you're going to mess up this Batty rider drink. You're going to definitely need some coconut rum. You're going to need vodka. You're going to need some white rum. If you have the Jamaican white rum, use this. This one is pretty good and I've been using this a lot, so you can use that. Lemon juice or fresh lemon. I have some lemon juice here and I'm going to use that. Now we're going to get started. As you can see, I have my pineapple and it's ready. I peeled it and cut it up in like little, not too small, but little chunk sizes. I'm going to go in and put it in the blender. Add 2 cups of water to the blender and blend it smooth. Okay, so now I'm going to put my pineapple in to the blender. And once again guys, this is 1 pineapple peeled and cut, alright? So now after that, I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 cups of water in here. I'm going to be serving this for about 4 people. So I'm definitely going to need some more water after I get done smoothing this out. Guys, I'm going to check this. It should be nice and smooth, which it is. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more water to this. Maybe less than a half cup of water. I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out again. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and strain this off in here. Just get your big spoon and just kind of help it to go through. Okay guys, so this is what your pineapple juice supposed to look like when you're done blending it out. So now we're getting ready to sweeten up this thing and add in liquor. I have my measuring cup here because I don't want to go overboard. I'm going to add a half a cup of my white rum. This is a strong drink guys and it's not recommended for people who can't drink. A half a cup of my coconut rum. You can add any coconut rum on the shelf, you go ahead and add that, right? So that is half a cup. I'm also going to put my vodka in. Lemon juice. If you have lime, you use 1 whole green lime. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in here. Now this is what's going to kick it up and sweeten it up for you. And like I said before, if you have any syrup in your pantry, you use it as long as it's clear. It has to be clear. And I'm going to put a half a cup in here. Now if I taste it and it's not sweet enough, I'm going to go ahead and add some more, but I'm thinking that a half a cup will do it. And just give this a mix. So okay guys, this is what your Batty rider drink supposed to look like when you add all the liquor and everything inside here. That's what it should look like. Now next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and decorate this for you guys so we can start drinking. I have a glass here. All I did with this was dip it in a little bit of that good flavor juice and then dip it in some sugar. So that's how you get this like that. So now I'm going to decorate up this thing for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and add my 3 cubes of ice in here. Then I'm going to add my juice in here. Don't let the juice catch around the top, right? Just bring up the juice to right where the sugar start, which is right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the best part of this thing. I'm going to go ahead and add my pineapple right there. Then I get my toothpick and my strawberry, put it right down into the strawberry just like so, and then you're going to stick it right in there through the pineapple. Then with my cherry, another toothpick again, 1 here and 1 at the other far end, just like this. And then what you're going to do next with that, you're just going to go ahead and just drop it just in there like that. Next thing I'm going to do with my toothpick is put 1 cherry at one end. This right through here, and then just take the next cherry and put it at the end. And there you have it. It's all done. That is called your Batty Rider drink. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.